Alright guys, today I'm breaking down some brand name air fryers that are priced so low, they honestly shouldn't be this cheap. I'm talking about major players like Koslori, Ninja, etc. I've reviewed dozens of air fryers, from budget picks to premium units costing over $200. And after examining every spec, feature, heating system, build material, and real-world performance, only 8 stand out for one reason. Their price simply doesn't match their capabilities. These are sitting between $54 and $89, which is honestly unbelievable for what they deliver. Whether you cook for yourself, your family, meal prep, or simply love crispy food without the oil, these deals are truly irresistible. Don't hesitate, grab them while you can. Links are in the description. Now let's review all 8 air fryers one by one, so I can highlight their best features and explain exactly why these prices are such a steal. First on the list is Gourmia Air Fryer. Gourmia has basically taken over the affordable appliance category on Amazon, and this $68 model shows exactly why. What stands out immediately is the smart guided cooking system. You get automatic preheat, shake reminders, and end-of-cook alerts that actually match what's happening inside the basket. Most air fryers at this price don't even bother with that. The 7-quart capacity is perfect for families or batch cooking. You can fit a pound of fries, 12 wings, chicken thighs, or even a small whole chicken without squeezing the basket. The internal heating element is surprisingly strong for a budget model, using a high-powered convection fan that circulates heat evenly across the entire basket. No cold spots, no half-cooked edges. The build quality is also better than expected. The non-stick basket is thick, easy to clean, and resistant to peeling, something cheaper fryers often struggle with over time. The control panel is bright, responsive, and laid out with presets that actually cook properly, especially on fries, chicken, seafood, and roast mode. But the biggest reason the price doesn't make sense? Consistency. This air fryer cooks evenly every time. It doesn't overheat, it doesn't undercook, and it doesn't need babysitting. For $68 from a major brand like Gourmia, this is easily the best value-first air fryer you can buy. Second on the list is Koslori TurboBlaze Air Fryer. Koslori is already one of the highest-rated air fryer brands worldwide, and the TurboBlaze is honestly one of their smartest releases. What sets this model apart is its brushless motor, a feature usually found in $150 to $200 air fryers. Brushless motors are quieter, more durable, and generate more consistent airflow compared to standard motors. The TurboBlaze heats up incredibly fast. You go from room temperature to fully preheated in under 2 minutes. The 360-degree rapid convection system creates even cooking inside the basket, and Koslori's temperature accuracy is one of the best in the industry. The 6-quart capacity is generous and wide, allowing foods to spread instead of stacking, which increases crispiness. The basket and tray use Koslori's upgraded non-stick layer, scratch-resistant, dishwasher-safe, and designed to handle long-term heat exposure without peeling. Its 10 built-in presets are well calibrated. The turbo mode boosts airflow to crisp faster than normal air fryers, while proof, bake, roast, dehydrate, and broil functions expand its versatility far beyond simple frying. Koslori's reputation, engineering quality, and award-winning design make this a standout. Getting a brushless, high-efficiency air fryer for under $90 is simply unmatched. Third on the list is Chefman Dual Basket Air Fryer. Dual basket air fryers are usually expensive, especially from big brands like Chefman, so seeing a full 6-quart dual-zone model at $80 is genuinely unexpected. The Chefman Dual system gives you 2 independent cooking areas, letting you run different temperatures, timers, and functions at the same time. That means chicken in one basket and fries in the other, or veggies on one side and seafood on the other. There's no flavor transfer, no mixing smells, and no uneven heating. Each side holds 3 quarts, and you get full 360-degree circulation fans in each compartment, giving the kind of cooking control that only high-end dual units usually offer. The control panel is straightforward to use, with responsive touch buttons, clear presets, and exact temperature adjustments from 200 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Cleaning is also a major win here. The baskets use Chefman's reinforced non-stick that resists staining, peeling, and long-term wear. This is something many cheaper dual air fryers struggle with over time. The heating performance is excellent for the price. Foods crisp evenly, reheat perfectly, and cook faster than ovens. And because it's Chefman, a brand known for reliable, no-nonsense kitchen appliances, you get long-term performance without paying premium pricing. For anyone wanting a dual-zone air fryer without spending $150 plus, this is hands down the unbeatable pick. Fourth on the list is Bella Slim Air Fryer. Bella has been in the kitchen appliance space for years, and their 6-quart slim model is one of the smartest designs I've seen for small kitchens. The tall, narrow build saves counter space while still giving you a full family-size basket. It's great for apartments and kitchens where every inch counts. Inside, you get a surprisingly powerful heating system. Bella uses rapid heat convection to circulate hot air from top to bottom, eliminating cold spots and giving food that even golden crisp. The 1700-watt heating element preheats fast and maintains temperature stably, which is rare at this price. The control panel includes presets for fries, wings, roast, bake, reheat, and more. Everything is responsive and easy to clean thanks to its smooth, flat surface. The basket is coated with Bella's advanced non-stick layer, scratch-resistant, dishwasher-safe, and designed to handle repeated high heat cycles without peeling. One detail I appreciate is the slim handle and tight basket seal. Heat stays locked in, preventing energy loss and improving cooking efficiency. The air vents on the back also manage heat better than many budget fryers, keeping the appliance cooler during long cooking sessions. For $70, this is one of the best small-footprint, large-capacity fryers you can get from a recognizable brand.
Fifth on the list is Topsy Air Fryer. Topsy may not be a massive household name like Ninja or Instant, but this model competes surprisingly well, especially at $54. The big selling point is versatility. 12 cooking presets, including air fry, roast, bake, broil, toast, warm, reheat, shrimp, wings, veggies, fish, and even a dessert mode. Most budget air fryers cap out at 6 to 8 presets, so this is one of the most feature-packed units at this price. The interface is simple, clean, and easy for beginners. What impressed me most is the stainless coil heating element, which delivers fast heat, shorter preheat times, and very even cooking inside the basket. The 5.5-quart capacity fits meals for 1 to 3 people comfortably. It's ideal for students, apartments, guest kitchens, and anyone wanting a high-value option without sacrificing features. The basket uses a thick non-stick coating that wipes clean effortlessly, and the tray design allows excellent airflow underneath food. For quick meals, snacks, frozen foods, or simple everyday cooking, this air fryer performs far above its price bracket. It's the best ultra-budget air fryer for people who want lots of features without spending big. Sixth on the list is NutriChef Air Fryer. NutriChef is known for durable appliances that prioritize performance and longevity, and their 5.8-quart air fryer fits that reputation perfectly. This model focuses on stability and consistency, which matter more than flashy features. The heating system is powerful and evenly distributed, using NutriChef's high-velocity fan design. It cooks foods quickly and without cold spots. For everyday cooking, like chicken breasts, veggies, frozen snacks, fries, and wings, the results are consistently crispy and evenly browned. The 5.8-quart basket is well-shaped, allowing you to spread food out for maximum airflow. The non-stick coating is thick, long-lasting, and easy to wash. The digital display is clean and simple, with presets that eliminate the guessing game. One detail I really appreciate is the tight seal basket design. It locks in heat better than many air fryers in this price range, increasing efficiency and improving crisp textures. The exterior stays relatively cool, and the vents are positioned to prevent steam blowback. At $80, NutriChef delivers reliability, durability, and consistent cooking performance that competes with bigger brands. Seventh on the list is the Ninja AF101 Air Fryer. The Ninja AF101 is one of the best-selling air fryers ever made, and for good reason. Seeing it priced at $80 is an absolute steal, because this model normally sits much higher. The biggest advantage is its ceramic-coated non-stick basket, a premium feature that's safer, more durable, and far more scratch-resistant than traditional Teflon-style coatings. This basket lasts for years without peeling. The AF101 is also incredibly consistent. Ninja's heating technology is powerful and precise, delivering even airflow from every angle. The result? Perfectly crispy fries, golden wings, juicy chicken, and vegetables that roast beautifully. You get 4 main functions: air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. The dehydrator mode is rare at this price and opens up snacks like dried fruit, jerky, and chips. The 4-quart capacity is great for everyday use, and despite being slightly smaller than 6-quart models, it cooks faster because the heat circulates more tightly inside the chamber. At $80, the AF101 is one of the safest purchases you can make in the world of air fryers. Last one is Instant Vortex Clear Cook Air Fryer. Instant Brands, famous for the Instant Pot, created one of the best modern air fryer designs with the Clear Cook series. The transparent viewing window and internal LED light let you watch your food cook without opening the basket. This prevents heat loss, reduces cook times, and gives you more control over browning and crisping. The heating system is extremely fast. This model pushes hot air rapidly and evenly through the entire chamber, producing consistent crisp textures. Fries, nuggets, wings, vegetables, salmon, they all come out restaurant quality. The 5.5-quart basket is great for families, and the basket coating is long-lasting and easy to clean. The control panel is super clear with presets for air fry, roast, bake, reheat, and broil. What sets this apart from other brands is its smart engineering. Instant optimizes temperature accuracy, airflow patterns, and user interface design extremely well. You're getting premium brand performance for a very low cost. At $80, this is one of the best all-around air fryers anyone can buy. So those are 8 air fryers from major brands that are way cheaper than they should be. Whether you want a dual-zone cooker, a brushless motor, a clear cook window, ceramic coating, or simply the lowest price with the most features, these deals are honestly some of the best I've seen all year. I've linked all the products below if you want to check availability or current pricing, because deals like these change fast. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.